Hi, I'm Tada of Mada Tsukaerude. Mada Tsukaerude is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I'm gonna do an oil change of 2009 Nissan Versa. This car is not really that difficult to do the oil change, but the location of the oil filter is a little bit tricky. So depending on the situation, that causes messy situation. So I'm gonna show you a little trick to avoid the messy situation. These are the tools I'm gonna use. A pair of ramps for front wheels, and the torque wrench and the ratchet wrench, and the drain plug size is 14 millimeters, so the 14 millimeter hex head, and oil pan and new oil. I'm gonna use 5W30. This is a 5-quart bottle, and the new oil filter and the funnel. So these are the very standard tools. One more special tool I'm gonna use is this pan. This is for cake or something, and this is used for replacing the oil filter. Okay, this is the engine, and this is the oil cap. So I'm underneath the car, and the oil pan is this guy just on the passenger side. This is the oil plug, and this is the oil filter. So first I'm gonna put the oil pan, plastic oil pan underneath this, and unscrew this one. Okay, the oil is drained, so I'm gonna put the cap. I'm gonna try 25 pounds. Okay, I think this is good. Okay. So the tricky part is this oil filter. As you see, oil filter is here. This is the oil pan, and this is the underguard. So if I unscrew this guy, oil gonna drip down and go to the pan, and underneath this pan, there's a plastic underguard. So if I don't do anything, the underguard it get really messy. So I'm gonna use that cake pan. Put the cake pan like this, so that it's gonna capture the oil. Okay. This is out. So I'm gonna put the new filter as usual. I'm gonna wet the gasket with the oil. I'm gonna put the filter in. Okay, I wash my hand so that I can grip the filter, and I'm also wiping the body of the filter so that I can tighten this good enough. Okay, I think that's tight enough. And again, wipe down one more time. So this is the amount of oil I captured in the pan. So as you can see, this is a good amount. And if I don't do anything, this amount of oil will drip down to that plastic underguard. So it's gonna be really messy. So I recommend you to do this kind of thing so that you don't need to do cleaning of the underguard. Of course, if you take the underguard, this problem doesn't happen, but taking the underguard, you have to deal with the push pin, or it's really like pain bad doing that. So it's better this way, I believe. And then you can do it in all the job in like 30 minutes or 45 minutes. If you take the underguard, that's you have to do extra job. I don't like it. Okay, I tightened the drain plug, and also the oil filter is on, so it's time to fill the new oil. This car takes 4 1/8 quart of oil. So I filled about 4 quart. So I'm gonna check the level. Yep, I think the oil is just fine. So I'm gonna stop here. Clean the seal surface. This is very important. Okay, as you saw, the location of the oil filter is really bad, and I think this is really bad design. Again, similar to Jeep Cherokee, but you can avoid the messy situation by putting the pan under on top of the plastic under cover. So hopefully this help you work the oil change by yourself. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.